was telling you earlier, itong si Raider Alimi, hindi naman kailangan masyadong defensive because he's not 100%, but still, Ali Pig is not taking any chances.
Here's Jordan Salvador. At kanina pa talaga sila nagtutulakan dito ni Terrence Leather. And now Terrence Leather threw the ball at Jordan Salvador. And Terrence Leather is going after James Yap. Enrico Villanueva is being restrained by Ali Pig. And the entire Pure Food squad is getting on the case of Terrence Leather. And Ali Pig at nakikipagtulakan. And boy, cooler heads have to prevail here.
That's Ali Pig and Rob Sands. At,
somebody has to pull Terrence Leather aside here. And somebody has to tell the Pure Food squad to also cool it. And now both teams have to be restrained here.
And what action outside of the real action we're seeing here. Luckily, cooler heads like Army team teammates Kirby Raimundo and Renner Ritualo. Teka, ito, kahit maliit-liit ang ating venue, may nagtatapo na po ng...
And nagsimula lahat yan doon sa tulakan ni Jordan Salvador at ni Terrence Leather.
At tama naman, naibigay na yung foul eh.
And then there was a foul, and then all, mayhem broke loose, and all hell broke loose when Terrence Leather threw the basketball at Jordan Salvador.
Threw it back actually, because it was actually Jordan Salvador who passed the ball.
Terrence Leather has been ejected from the game.
And that would be the second time he'd be ejected. And
Malino, there was a karate kick coming from James Yap from behind. At biglang hinabol ni Terrence Leather. Malino, there was a karate kick coming from James Yap from behind. At biglang hinabol ni Terrence Leather. Malino, there was a karate kick coming from James Yap from behind. At biglang hinabol ni Terrence Leather. Malino, there was a karate kick coming from James Yap from behind. At biglang hinabol ni Terrence Leather. Malino, there was a karate kick coming from James Yap from behind. At biglang hinabol ni Terrence Leather. At ayan na, dito na nagsuguran sa court yung mga basketball players natin. Yeah, Rob Sand, Noel Kilingen getting in the middle of the action there. And you can see Renner Ritualo trying to pacify everybody here.
Kasi Ali Pig natatawa ako kay Ali Pig He's trying to restrain all the attackers from the Pure Food.
Kaya naman kaya.
Really a cooler head. Ito si Ali Pig. Ito, makikita po natin. Same, another angle. Pero dito, ito, tayuan pa rin po dito. Ayun, nagsimula sa batuhan. So, kailangan ating emosyon. And why not, Migo? Ika nga, ang matatalo dito, wala nang buhay.
Oh, that's right. Perfectly understandable. Both teams are really intense. Everything on the line here. Lahat ng pinaghirapan nila para dito sa Fiesta Conference nakataya sa larong ito. Winner goes home. Loser goes home. Winner moves on to a knockout game on Friday dito sa Inares. So, ito, hihintayin natin ang hatol ng Supreme Court. Initially, there was a personal foul against